Okay.
No
We are
line
go
of Kumasi
straight.
and
Now
Kahayuma.
Accra Sports
That's
Stadium
right.
now.
But all the same, pitch now ready
So that is
for the game and a crucial game.
Kwara United now. Yeah, Joe situational report live now. Our Accra Sports Stadium. Nanaba Kwame Emmanuel Gracious Menya. Yechia Bibi Abokode.
First player Bibiaboko.
Okay, quick one. Accra Sports Stadium, current happening, current situation. My info then in and around the stadium.
Boss, memo akwaba na yenda ya hwefo de atiefo nyina so ye na o mase se abibia ogusu omo esu mu nkakra na nyankopon adaroma ya ba bewuram e wo Accra Sports Stadium a se dem di kind report na ema o se na ye wo Accra na ye monitor enema na ne nyankopon ya adoma 3 o'clock game no e be to fam e wo ha se na time a me be dru Accra Sports Stadium no na 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Moye. But now they were supporters no our mo efri akiri no don't want night me ababe wurem enso e wa ha se no na eye nika ye papa me no ka say so koloko supporters na mo efri akiri no don't na so aba ha se ya ene enhyehyeye enso egusu a e koso nkakra e wo ha se na uhwe around the stadium especially uhwe stadium no main gate a ye di ewurem ko VIP na me no ka say se na supporters atwa ha ahyia a ɔmo ɛtwɛn sɛ 12 o'clock no nso ɛbɛbɔ na ɔmo anya ɔmo ticket na ɔmo awuram inside the stadium. Supporters no only meeting come up. Let's me free Cape Coast nearby. Only meeting come up. Andra me beda ha hwe be ni game ntia na
Nanaba Jina Yemaya Nanaba. Yes, sir. Jina Yemaya.
what me kai
Yeah, until Unkai into Jina Yemaya. Yes, sir.
hello
Yes, sir.
aha say what me kan
Wadaruma.
okay enti obedu ha say ya supporters no dodo na afiri akirikiri ana aba aha say omu nyina ɛtwɛn sɛ ɔmo nsa bɛka ɔmo ticket na ɔmo atumi awuram enso ɛwɔ ha say obedu ha say so a we are seeing say Kwara United and so supporters ni bi enso ɛwɔ ha ɔmo so ɛtwɛn sɛ de bɛyɛ a ɔmo so betumi awura inside na ɔmo akɔ monitor game no na sɛnea ɔba gate a me no ka say me gyina gate hɔ a ana me ne wo edi nkɔmɔ sisi a na obedu gate ase ya communications director Edema Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko eba leader ko operations manager eba Dr. Ike mo omo nyina enso ewa ha omo ehwe se na be ya supporters a omo so eba no omo a ukuta accreditation as a journalist and as a be obetime do accreditation enso ewura inside so wonya nto ticket a omo kyerɛw sɛ kɔ baabi ɔmo tɔn ticket na fo nsa nka ticket ansana nso wɔwura mu nti anɔpa no yɛbɛtumi ase no na ɔmo nyina bibia nso ebetumi nso akɔ so yie ɛwɔ ahasa wohwɛ around no supporters na ɔmo ba no dodoɔ start a ɔmo ɛtɔ ɔmo kɔtɔkɔ jerseys no bi wɔ ha ɔba a onya new one no obenya bi a last 2 seasons deɛ na watɔ ne kamakama ɛwɔ ha sei ɛna wohwɛ sɛneɛ ahofama no nso esi inside hɔ ɛne outside supporters a wɔaba nyinaa so obi ɛnhyɛ kɔtɔkɔ jersey a wɔn sɛ ne mɔfla nso ɛda ne kɔn mu a no ɛyɛ kɔtɔkɔ mɔfla nso ɛda ne kɔn mu kama wɔn ɛde aba abɛwura mu nso ɛwɔ aha sei and wɔba ha sei a security no so ɛyɛ very tight security no ɛyɛ very tight before sɛ wɔbɛwura inside no main gate or around the stadium police force were around that wɔn nso ɛmonitor ɛhwɛ ama nneɛma nso atumi akɔ so yie but nneɛma si kyɛn sɛ onyɛ journalist anaasɛ woyɛ obi na sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ oyi so card anaasɛ tag na wodi ewura stadium ne inside na sɛ eni ohun a mahu sɛ ni da akɔmɔ ɛwɔ around a wɔn ɛmonitor saa nneɛma no nyinaa sɛ de bɛyɛ a kɔdɔkɔ nso ticket a wɔn nso wɔn ntɔn no na nkakra nso ntumi mmira kɔdɔkɔ team ne nsɛm no wɔn nso betumi atɔn ne kama ɛwɔ hɔnom ɛwɔ hɔ a wɔn ɛhwɛ ama biribi nso atumi ayɛ kama na okowura stadium no inside da ɛhɔ no ɛna mene wo kasa yi deɛ sɛ video a mede sɛnde wɔn de ato so ma yɛahwɛfoɔ no ehu deɛ a bibibia ɛdeda n'akwa mu kama pitch no ayɛ ready a pitch no ayɛ ready a ɛtwɛn sɛ time no ɛbɛso ama players no so aba so ama use the kama and those share around the stadium omo sponsor Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko eba the Hope brand eba Kaba eba your friend is say lottery omo nyina and so delegations say wa hase ya omo so eye adwuma kakra support Kotoko campaign for send ye be ya and hwehwe ya omo de ato akwam and so e wa hase no bibia enso betimi akoso ye e ha na ye duru ha se no wo hwe send ye Kotoko supporters no ni ye edi nkomo na bibia kire se ene game no ye game a eda omo akoma so ye pa na omo ehwe se de ebe ko se wo se ko ye ede ma team no ene day because Kotoko ekobo African games like this no I check Accra and chess abeta check Accra and omo expect more from the players and the love for the team you know ano mu nyina enso aba bewuram e wa ha omo train set emre no beso na game na start mu nyina atia support Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko na etumi aye fefefefefe enso e wa ha nti ohwe sene esi etiena supporters no buso a omo bank kakra omo mu free Kumasi enso e ba no omo nyaaye emeduru ha sei omo nyaaye emeduru ha sei but omo wo around omo ndra omo buy omo a omo fa bus and pay ebe wura mu asendie dodo na enso abedu ha se ya e no omo twen se omo ticket ebe ready na time no so ready na omo atimi awura inside kopo baby pa enso atena wa twen team no na so bedu ha se ya omo so achie omo didede yo enso ahia wo omo se de be ya omo mo round so betimi akoso ye na omo atimi enya more goals na oba ha se ya am say the Kotoko supporters no ehwehwe ne se enne no e was 3 goals die Kotoko Boboko no enya edema supporters no 3 goals there e was so omunya ede emma supporters no any day e wo Accra Sports Stadium edi Kotoko supporters no omo expect more from Accra Sports Stadium na me no ka say obewrem wo Accra Sports Stadium a weather no e very cool awia moye awia nim e very cool we mu jam nyunu bibia e cool enso e wo ahase ya wo hwe weather na e okay pa so enye awia gidigidi so bi obi gina wiem na bia odi bi dabi enfrema so ne nem kama e wo ahase na me no ka say sisia no de from time am be wram e wo Accra Sports Stadium ene me no gina me gina ha sisia me no edi nkomo no bibia ensi ya se akoye ntokwa obi mentino ho ase se bia bibi koso na menti ase na se dabi bibia ensi sa bibia ni ho a asisa ewo ahase nti obehwe ahase ne dia bibia deda na akwem so ha supporters no dodo na omo aba bewuram ahase no omo ehwe ama bibia enso atumi akoso ye two teams no obia enso emewuram ewo ahase but se we Kotoko supporter na oba na ohwe ye na wutie na se bi on register for abu census na main gate na no ano wana no ye wo abrantie ba akoni akitesia so no ho fefe ono so te hɔ a uduru hɔ so betimi a register for abu census no na ope Kotoko so jesi ni bia uduru he ya obenya wo jesi kama a ma wo se the Hope brand for no omo ete hɔ a omo ehwe se uduru an jesi bia ope bia no won so won sabeti aka na bibia nso atumi enso akoye ba Kotoko management na dia obia emewuram e wa hase but ohwe operations manager ono de around Dr. Ike around leader kon around communications director at the Emma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ono so e wo around that ohwe ama bibia nso atumi akoso ye e de Emma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti boss player oba hase dia bibia e yekua supporters no expect more from the team Nina say I was some qualify from Kwara United for any game, the new game who be I was say Kotoko team no a disappointing warm. I was say a win and Omunya at the Emma warm. And see, mostly back around Baba, Accra Sports Stadium, maybe and so a ever has it.
Okay, thank you. Yansha we and Rabibiani Ghost Stars I used to pitch here really on this very screen. Now what in camera one of my video say and I say got a companion for someone share Yansha na man for and stream born live and this one more every face legal consequence any other but this one there I think it's allowed. Now say na pitch no wura mu wo hwe ne ye bia eye ebeboa yen players no and I say aye print moment to after say no pressure kakra ba so.
And after the Baby Gold Stars came omo eboy no omo both game the way na training sessions so Kwara for no ebe training ewo ho sounds like the team no so ebe training kakra so ewo so and omo we training na expect ejina so a omo eye pitch no ho adwuma omo ye pitch no ho adwuma and me no ka say there from mimi looks say me ko gina wo twa video dey to so e ma ya hwefo nya bi ehwe no bibia kire say pitch no unhu bi e wo ho say nra na dodo na enya ye ehwe ye e wo Baby Gold Stars game no o ma prepare pitch ni yie lines no cramp apepa no so wo hwe video ni ya obo so obi ejina so o san so twa lines no tum kakra o ti lines no ba bibia afa di ni ade ni nyina no omo egusu a omo etwa lines no so ewo ho di oba Accra Sports Stadium pitch na aye ready and omo aye ho adwuma ye pa ahead of game we're talking because omo anye ho adwuma next month no the Black Stars of Ghana sounds we ba ha aba be si akan it omo wie games na no na omo ye pitch no ho adwuma no enso egina so a omo eye ho adwuma gidigidi enti oba ha say dia pitch no ready for the game stars no any everything a fast stadium no there BBI are ready for the game.
Okay, Achita for with regards to Kotoko Airbo Kumasi Sports Stadium and can you pass our media and can you to me in kind. But I hope sir I'm on for tune about Kumasi for then I'm fine so but you share one situation or more back kama ya nisa or more crab account whatever. Na CCA and it has so be also stadium a bit near Boma, a bomber or shy.
Because we did kind of buy, you know, over Accra Sports Stadium, opposite military cemetery, around that place now, Kotoko, maybe say Pabe 3-4 now, my share with Jesus near the Honum, and minimum women in Kumasi no mobile. Now, we know we think much less mobile and then 3 days, sorry, and then 3 days. Now, omo ebaya, omo ebedru no. Bibia kyerɛ sɛ wobɛduru ha sɛ sɛ bi kan ne to onim na dodoɔ na ɛnnim sɛ Kotoko ɛbɔ game mpo wɔ Accra Sports Stadium sɛnea nka ɛyɛ Accra sorry Kumasi na nka ɔmo sɛ Kotoko flags no kɔ taxi ranks kɔ stations ne ade a anka ɔmo de Kotoko flags ne ade wɔ hɔ bɔ ho dero ne ade no ankɔ so saa ɛwɔ aha sei ɛnti wohwɛ sɛnea esi ɛteɛ na expectations no any more say supporters into to na betima ba be wura me yan say how ananka promotion e was nke ekọ na Kotoko ndi nim say team no ewo Kumasi na day in day out ye bibi ye Kotoko team no no ye bo hu dawro ewo hono na am ye aware of it no and kisa ewo Accra Sports no though supporters no do no kakra ba de but ye expect say Accra Sports no be poma anything ewo Accra Sports because not to one evening and Oshe how an encomono ACTMPA or more mudi come back a crown and on Kotoko flags nibi and nam a crew Emma taxi drivers no any truck drivers ne if you who say Timono as we book game or Hasenti and kiss idea but you say don't want to bit me aba now my supporting team might be answering to me come.
Okay, no, but I better say now. I sure say push the aka bra, push the bra, and you quick one for my chief and a game not start. Say what damn, why? Push my back on our banner. No, I don't know. We your life, they and I do it to us.
Ebiba.
And in term you pushing to a channel, you and term push bra. Now you fan to one term a channel, who data or phone papa push bra. Push bra, and intensive. Yeah, sure. You better see now. I show him quick one, 5 minutes time. I say, but now you don't know too much for quick one. Why?
Mati.
All right. None about Kwame Gracious and Matuni Jaga Crass. So any. I would say. Oh my boy, you see a DJ Bominum Biawa. Ichi Sanity and Aban or also the day. Ababa besene ede efiri ho ede amaya de hopi say eh Mensako Nigeria no mi su de na omuhwe yi no wa me na bia nti sana etie na naba na edit situational report e wa Accra Sports Stadium ede ama currently uhwemu a amanfo aba peso ho kakra mpanyimfo no so far na esiye kakra free mu eba ewo me hope se enipa beba stadium ho na etumi agree situation ne kama na niema akọ nanim asemo ya baba yara asamen ka ba peso kama but all said and done no say yehu sampa bibia betumi akoso amanfo nam kwam Kotoko wa chichafo no bebre nam kwam a ye hope positively say omo nyame de mbeka kodra somdwem na omo nso ama support no atumi aye kra behwe nti bibia ekoso onyinamo ni ade na omo apu egyina mu kama na bibia ekoso mahumi ni apanyi PJ Mose se ono nso na senior ike nso na egyina soro honom no sa pepepe na esi ekwa hwehwe echitafo mpanyufo no de ho wo hwa akwa na kwaji ike wagene kakra sorry brown akwaji no nti nana kwa me dankwa ofanzu na gina ho no ofado Kwara United Kotoko esa wo bia o ya de se onu nsini na we general manager atin ya akoto nsini ama PJ na aba number 15 no ama onyina nso na asha white a opu agina mu kama no sa na tie nyasem kuma mama abobo club ne ade bibia ekoso record nti the situation report no see hani ato aso ne pushing next episode and also fans no any mpanyifo nkoma any omadi no ato aso ama quick one nti yada say happiness eto aso